time staying in one place, Nick and Jameson decide to push on towards rescue.
It's just not working. It's just not working. We're better off spending that energy on getting closer to extraction.
I'm stressing the hell out because if I don't do everything that I know to find food, we're gonna go hungry. Pretty much what I've got in plan is we're gonna use my shirt, if we can tie it up right, to make a net where we can set it downstream and try to funnel fish into it. I sacrificed my shirt and a little bit of cordage, and now we've got a net to catch fish with. Underneath this rock, there's a hole. There's our hoop is under here. The fish, hopefully, will swim as we push them downstream, under the rock, and into the shirt. Hopefully.
This has to work.
These fish should be skittish enough that just running these through here should push them down. Nope.
Not yet.
You know, I'm super pissed and starving, and, you know, at this point in time, it's coming down to not eating and, you know, almost wanting to quit. I'm so hungry right now, I can, like, literally feel my stomach eating itself. God, it hurts so bad.
You know, miss my family.
I'm just getting to that point. I can't wait for it to be over.
You know, I woke up this morning, my teeth are hurting like I got hit in the mouth repeatedly last night. If I had to guess, I'd say that's the body starting to eat the teeth for nutrients.
Nick and Jameson have 17 miles remaining to reach rescue in 4 days. They are desperate for some calories, and Nick is pulling out every trick in the book.
Okay, be careful right here. It's a damn beehive. There is a beehive that it appears a bear has dug out. I think if we use a match and I start a fire right here, we can smoke them out and it'll calm them down. We might be able to find some honey. So that's just pure sugar. It don't get no better.
It's potentially getting by some bees. You ever done that before?
Have I ever smoked bees? No. Queen bee right there.
Wow.
See how much bigger she is than all the others? If I can move the queen out of there, we might be able to dig out some of the honey. She produces a pheromone those bees will go to. We're gonna set her right there.
Does that risk-reward doesn't seem to balance out for me?
Okay, look, here's the thing. If they do start stinging, don't freak out, because then we'll both get hurt extremely bad.
You will get a sharp tug.
Yeah, just don't go downhill like a bat out of hell dragging me screaming. So, are you ready?
This is insane. Underhand is fine, too.
We've got a few bees that are swarming my head right now, but they haven't stung. Don't get excited.
I just don't want to get stung to death. And at some point, we gotta say, hey, enough is enough. This is insane of an idea.
Don't swat at them. Don't swat, and they're pissed. Don't fight them. Don't move. Stay still.
Hey.